If I could use only two indicators for binary option, I would choose the moving average and stochastic oscillator. With the right settings and proper confirmation, this simple combination can completely transform your entries and take your trading game to the next level. I have already made a detailed video explaining this indicator combination, but if you are new to my channel and want the exact settings, comment settings below and I'll reply everyone with the setup. I'll take a couple of trades to show you how accurate this strategy can be. For this setup, I entered a call trade right at the opening of the candle and I had strong reasons to do so. As you can see, the market bounced from our trend line and horizontal support zone. We also got breakout above the moving average with a strong bullish candle, while the stochastic oscillator also confirmed the move by crossing up from the oversold area. With these three confirmations lining up, I confidently took the call entry and it is going to be a direct winning trade. Let's see how this trade played out. If you can align this strategy with the major trend, you will have 85% of the accuracy. However, about this trade, look at that. Just as I anticipated, the trade is exactly going in my favor. Now, after such a strong move, the market may come back and retest the moving average because the bullish impulse was quite large. That's completely normal and often creates another trading opportunity. However, I'll wait for the confirmation in that particular chart and I'll look for high probability trade setup in another currency pair. So here we have got a breakout from our moving average, and even if you see the stochastic is in oversold zone. That is the perfect setup I want while I am taking trade with this particular indicator. And here the market has reversed from a support level, as you can see. So this is a perfect trade opportunity. I'm looking for call entry trade. The next reversal zone and the distance between our next candle is quite far. So I am looking for a call entry. If I get to have a marginal safety entry, I will place that as well. But for now, I will take a call entry directly at the opening of the candle. The previous green candle was a healthy green candle with 50% breakout above our moving average. And if the candle comes a little bit down, I will take my marginal safety call entry as well. See guys, marginal safety is the key. You have to take marginal safety entry. Try to place it when the candle comes down whenever you are taking or looking for a call entry. That will save your trades. Okay, so if I have to place the reversal zone as a resistance area, it would be around somewhere around, let me get the rectangular box. Okay, if I have to mark it like so, you can clearly see we've got reversal zone around here, and the distance between the candle and the reversal zone is very far. Market would normally not reverse in this kind of situation because the stochastic is oversold already and we have got a healthy bullish candle breaking out from my moving average. I had multiple confirmation for this trade and look at that. This trade played out exactly as I anticipated, and even in last moment the candle closed as a hammer, and this is another winning trade. Also because of the marginal safety entry as well, I was sure that even if I lost one trade, the next trade, the second one, would definitely be a winning trade. Anyways guys, I will look for another high probability trade. I will take one trade now with this setting and it'll be very easy and clear for you to understand how to take trade with the help of this particular indicator. All right traders, I can see a trade opportunity going on this chart. I'm looking for a put entry. We have got a nice breakdown from our moving average, and the stochastic is also giving me a bearish crossover from the overbought zone to the oversold area. The next reversal point is this one. The market major trend is downtrend, which is very clean and clear. So I am looking to take a put entry after closing this particular candle somewhere around here. If the candle goes a little bit up, I will take my marginal safety entry as well. But for now, this is how you should place your trade with the help of this indicator. I can see buyers are stepping in as well as sellers are there as well, because I'm getting a nice rejection from the upside as well. And also buyers are stepping in because the next reversal zone is very near. Let's see how this candle closes, and based on that I'll decide whether to place my next trade. If there's enough space between the candle close and our next reversal zone, we can look for another put entry. One thing worth noticing is that the highest probability setup comes immediately after the breakout. A put entry taken right after the breakout can have a winning probability of around 85%. However, in this case I'm entering the trade in the middle of the move. Even if this trade ends up being a winner, the probability is lower, close to 60%, because we are not getting the ideal entry condition. But for now, this is exactly going in my favor. The highest probability of taking trade with this help of indicator is after the breakout of this particular candle, and we are placing next trade put entry same direction, because the stochastic, we can see it has given us a bearish confirmation. However, this trade is a winning trade because the next reversal zone and the candle had a long distance, which is why the trade played out exactly in my favor. Alright traders, I want you to practice this strategy on your demo account and see the result yourself. If you want the exact indicator settings, comment settings below and I'll reply you. I'll also pin my detailed video covering the same strategy, so be sure to check that out for a complete breakdown. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel, link is mentioned down in the description box. I'll come back with another powerful video. Until then, keep learning and happy trading.